to get 2K 4K on Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can get 2K 4K on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Now open your Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut application, tap on new project and select any one of the video. For example, I will choose this video and finally click on add button. Once you are on this page, at the top of the screen you can see the 180p drop down menu. In order to get the 2K 4K on Capcut, click on it. Once you click on it, here you can see the different options in order to customize your video. Now finally, slide the slider of resolution to the 2K 4K. Once it is done, now go back to the video. Now simply export the video by simply clicking on the export button at the top of the screen. Once you click on that icon, the video will start to export on your gallery. Once the video is fully exported, you have successfully created 2K 4K resolution on Capcut. So that's it. In this simple way, you can get a 2K 4K on Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.